بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Okay, now there is one question based on kind of summarization. Summarization is actually a method where we can combine multiple small subnets. So let's assume these are the small subnets. You have 4 LANs or 4 VLANs / 24, and when you're advertising them, we can advertise as one single subnet. So we need to know the summary address. Again, it is based on some kind of subnetting calculations, if you know. So the 10.0 and 3. So what will be the range for this? So if you take this example here, it uses 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So 0.x, 1.x. If you go with our subnetting examples, it uses 4 blocks. Each block will have 256 addresses, right? So it ends on 256 addresses. So because he says specifically this network IDs means the broadcast IDs will be on 255 here. So we get 4 blocks of addresses. 4 blocks means 256 into 4. So 1024 addresses. So as per our subnetting calculation, 2 power 10 will be 1024, which means if I use host bits 10, that will be the range which combines these 4 subnets. Summarization means it's like combining these networks. Again, in the CCNP, we have a summarization topics as well. We'll be covering in the CCNP courses normally, where you have host bits are 10, which means the network bits will be 22. So 22 will be the network bits and host bits will be 10 as per this range. So which means /22 will be the address. So which means this is going to be your correct answer. So typically if I'm writing 10. So in this case, if I'm writing 10.0.0.0/22 means it automatically includes all the addresses whichever starts with 10.0000 and 10.0.3.255, right? Because when I'm writing /22 means host bits will be 10 and the range of addresses will be 1024. 1024 means how many blocks we get? 4, which means this will include the address range from 0 to 3. So that's what he's saying. So these all group addresses will come in which range?